Hello, my name is Jantira Namwong and I am a photographer. I have years of experience of organizing model photography sessions shooting Thai traditional portrait, boudoir and nudes. This time I am organizing photography trip in northern Thailand where we will explore local lifestyle. Shoot model in beautiful landscapes, experience lakes, mountains, valleys, sunrise and sunset. We will even shoot the star at night. Ya Exploring Northern Thailand Photography Workshop will be on 8 to 10 November 2019. We travel by minivan to Mae HongSon province and we stay in the homestay and hotel. The first trip for Ya Exploring Northern Thailand Photography Workshop will be 3 days and 2 nights that we will get together, shoot together is on 8 to 10 November 2019. Transportation, accommodation and all meals are included. The next week, myself, I will go to the real location and I will see if something more interesting for us I will put in our activity to have more fun. More details will follow. Bookings is open from now. Thank you and stay tuned for the next video.